So today we are in London and we're going to be staying in London's only Super Yacht Hotel. We're going to check out the bedrooms and of course we're going to check out the food. So let's go. And here it is, the Super Yacht Hotel here in London. It is right next to the XL Arena, and also that way is the O2, as well as these Skyliner thingies. I don't actually know what they're called, gondolas, I don't know. But here it is, so let's go check inside. Also, before we go inside, this is actually permanently docked here. So it's got these large anchors here that basically stops the ship moving if you get seasick, like the one behind the camera.
Yes, you, come on, but let's go inside. Yeah, reception on number 3. Oh wow, this is really nice. I really like that chandelier. But this is just the lobby. It's just basically a big area that you can sit down, check in, and there is a bar in this level as well. So I think we're gonna just maybe head outside and then see what we're gonna do. So there's 2 restaurants on board. You've got one that's upstairs above me there, but that's like a fine dining, and with Athena in a minute, I don't really want to go sit down, and I'm not that hungry, so I think we're going to go to the bar and we're just going to grab something light and enjoy a beer. The views are nice though. I'm not sure if the camera does this justice, but that view is honestly so good. So the menu in the bar is just basically small plates, pizzas, pasta, classics like burgers and chips and desserts, and they have a load of drinks. And they also have a kids menu. But if you didn't want to eat in the bar, you can go to Land's End restaurant. It is Sunday to do Sunday roast there, and also they have like afternoon tea, as well as loads of other different foods. But I think we're going to stick to the bar because the prices are a bit cheaper. So for food, I went with a chicken chutney sandwich, which is actually pretty nice. The fries, on the other hand, weren't that great. They were a bit overdone in my liking, but overall it was a good meal. So we went with fish and chips, which he said is okay. Do you agree? Do you agree? Just fish and chips. That's what Chloe ever says. Just fish and chips, just ice cream. Basically, she liked it. Athena went with a pasta that she didn't eat. She ended up eating mummy's fish and chips. And yeah, that is all there is to do on this ship really. If you're coming to stay on this ship, you're either coming for one or 2 reasons. You're either going to the O2 or you're going to the XL. So that is basically there all is to do, eat and drink. And that cost us £64, which is quite expensive considering that this is just like a pub dining. If you go upstairs, it's more like a formal sit-down dining, and I can only imagine that would be double the price of this. So I'm kind of glad I didn't do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go show you our room. So let's go. And this is the way to the rooms. Just tap your card like that, and voila, you are in. And handy enough, our room is here, 3020. So let's go have a look. So we was given an upgrade. So we didn't ask for it. The manager said, I'm not going to give you that room. I'm going to give you a better one. So I assume they're very quiet at the minute. So we have got a, they're called verandas. That's it. They're called a veranda, and it overlooks the dock. But let's start showing you around the room. Over down this way. Key card goes into the little thing that basically turns on all the lights. I think this is the master switch. Yes, it is. That's the master switch for all the lights. First things first, in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves with some towels that look like my jumper. And then under here we have a nice big safe. I never use the safes. I don't know if anyone actually ever uses a safe, unless you're here for like a long period of time. Maybe we would use it, but we don't really. Over here is a double wardrobe. I'm assuming, yes it is. Oh, although that door's a bit broken. We have an ironing board. We have an iron, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hangers, and 2 dressing gowns, and 2 pairs of slippers. And you know what, I'm gonna put them on later. And then if we moved down this way, already all of our stuff has been thrown on top of this. There's a nice big area, and then underneath here is a nice place to store your shoes. Now, this is bigger than most cruise ships. The room is actually really, really big. So if you have a look around, there's so much space around. Although this mirror is huge. I just noticed this mirror. Where's the TV? Yeah. Oh, okay, the TV's there.
Well, there's a bit odd placement.
Yeah, I know.
The TV on the bed.
But that's what it is. You've just got a massive giant mirror. Don't know why you need a giant mirror like that, but there's a giant mirror. And then over here is a, I'm going to go 40-inch TV. I think it's 40-inch. I'm not really good at my TVs. Now this makes me laugh. The size of this for 2 little cups. Don't get it. Well, I don't know. That's I don't know what you put in there. I don't know what I'm saying with it. Just leave it. In here, what's in here? Oh, okay. We have a fridge. So basically, some water. Over here, you have lavaza. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Coffee cups. And then also you have. Yes.
I was about to say that's biscuits. That's it.
They have biscuits. You know what?
Hold on, there should be 3 biscuits. You're not going to be left out there.
You can take one for the team, can't you? Yeah, coffee pods, kettle, milks, tea bags, basically everything that you'd expect. From, I was gonna say, where's the coffee? There's coffee pods, but no coffee machine. But there is over here. Oh yeah, well done, Athena. We don't need to. We brought our own biscuits. High five. Athena's like, no, mummy's not getting left out. I found biscuits. I remember bringing them. Over here is a lavazza. Lavaza, I don't even know why I'm saying it. It's a coffee maker. Basically stuff that you need to know. A working phone, a nice chair, a bin, a table. Although these balloons, it's not our anniversary or anything. The man at the reception said, would she like a balloon? Not Chloe, Athena would like a balloon. I was like, yeah, okay, well, a balloon would be nice. And he brings a big, massive bunch of heart ones. Over here is a big sofa. It's very uncomfortable. You can tell this has been worn in a lot. They probably haven't changed these sofas in a while. Although the man did say to me downstairs, he said that they do have suites that have sofa beds, so you can have one. This one isn't a sofa bed, but apparently you can have one. Drawers beside your bed, and a very, very oh, it's very comfortable.
It's a large bed, isn't it?
Yeah.
About a king size?
Well, I lay across it, and it's the same thing, so I'm gonna say it's a super king. This is a super king bed. It's the size that we got at home, yeah. So guess what that means, guys? We're sleeping well tonight. Over here, if you have kids, you understand. Especially if they're under like 4. She's currently picking her nose at the minute, but over here is air conditioning because it is very hot in here at the minute. I am honestly sweating.
I don't think it's aircon. I think it's heater.
Or whatever it is, it's hot. And down there, 2 nice sides. And underneath the bed is enough space to put your luggage. Now, this is actually a very good size room. I'm very happy with the size of this. This is bigger than most cruise ships. So if you're on cruise ships, you're spending a lot of money on a room size like this. Although, I'm not too keen on the color wood, but it could be worse. It could have been darker than that. I like, you know, like when you fresh get timber from a builder's yard. I like it like that. Come on, let's go check out the bathroom. Loads of switches though. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 switches over here. Good luck. At night we're just gonna be going, which one? Oh, stop waking me up, stop waking me up. Anyway, let's move into the bathroom. Although there's a plug socket right there.
When they're not labelled as well, so you have to literally...
I know. Label the plug socket so you know which one is which. But there's a plug there. Why is there a plug right next to that? Don't understand it, but come on, come in here. 2 hangers. Although there should be a mirror, but you don't need a mirror, you've got the big one behind you. Hold the door for me. In here is you've got, oh, it stinks in here. You've been in here, haven't you? Athena's already christened the toilet, so let's move on. Just saying, if you want to change your towels, leave them on in the thing. Standard toilet box, shelves. Yeah, it's a bathroom. So over here you have some hand wash. You have a vanity kit, shower cap, flannels, 2 cups, and a hairdryer. And then in here is a shower. Now, the shower don't match the room. It feels very, very cheap, but it might be a good shower. I'll test that out later. So basically, shower clothesline, is that what they're called? Shower, it's just a clothesline, not shower clothesline. It doesn't go back in for some reason, so how the hell am I getting? There we go. And over here we have shower gel and hair shampoo, and a very...
Why has it got a random gold handle?
No idea. Although I don't want to turn that on just in case I get wet. So yeah, basically, this is your bathroom. And the main event of this room, the reason why we got upgraded, not for the balloons that are just, although it's very hard to open the door. Follow me. It's quite nice, although the sun is blinding me. And this is the balcony you get, or veranda. It's a balcony veranda. On ships they call them verandas. 2 seats, although the room is not the greatest. Like, I can't see, by the way. I can't see, all I can see is the building lines there. I can't
see the lines.
I'm gonna be like this. You've just got to do this to have a look around. Although, if you come over this side, if you swap sides with me, the view is actually really nice. Look at that view over there. You've got the little gondola things that I was saying about earlier. You got O2 and Canary Wharf. Nice. And also you've got a bridge there that, I don't know, I think it goes up and down, does it? No, it doesn't go up and down. You have to get the lifts up and down it. That's a bit complicated, isn't it? And yeah, you're desperate for them biscuits, aren't you? Now, one of the things that's kind of thrown me off a little bit is that I know we're on the boat and we're not moving. It just feels like we're moving. I can see the water like just out there, and my mind is automatically thinking, oh, trying to keep your balance. It's weird, but we're not moving. It just feels really weird. So the sun is setting, and now we're just gonna relax, chill out for the rest of the night, because tomorrow we're up really early. We're up at like 5 a.m. so we're not gonna be able to have breakfast. So I think we're gonna chill out and yeah, see you in the morning. Good morning. So our time has come to an end here at the Yacht Hotel. So what would we give that out of 5? I'm gonna say the positives of the place is that the price, it costs £130 that room for one night. Now that's not bad at all, considering that you're in London, right next to the Extel, right next to the O2, and right next to the train station, which is just over there, which I think is pretty good for London prices. Now, some of the other positives is the room is really big, the food was great, the staff were great, but some of the negatives of it is that maybe it was just our room, but we were just right underneath the restaurant and we just kept hearing footsteps all night. We're right next to the door, we just heard the door kept banging all night. So maybe that's just a room choice that we would give, the room choice we were given, or room location we were given, sorry. And then also, the heating, it was just so hot. Like we couldn't turn the heat down in the room, and I had to ask, and I don't know how, they're just like, it's for the whole ship. But that's one negative of it. So it depends what time of year you come, but for £150 or 120 something pounds per night, that's pretty decent. So I'm gonna give that a 3 out of 5. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, because we've got loads more content coming up every week, and drop the video a like. So bye from me.